Hi there, I'm Dustin, an HVAC tech with Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical. I want to take a few minutes to bust some common myths about your air conditioner. These myths could cost you some comfort and money. Let's dive in. Myth number 1, bigger means better. That's false. An oversized unit cools your home too quickly. It won't run long enough to remove humidity, leaving your house sticky and uncomfortable. Myth number 2, lowering the thermostat cools your home faster. Not true. Your AC cools at the same rate, no matter the setting. You're just making it run longer and wasting energy. Myth number 3, you can wait to change your air filter. If you live with pets or allergens, check it monthly. Change it when it's dirty. Clean filters help your system run better and keep your air healthy. Myth number 4, closing vents saves money. It actually puts more strain on your system. Today's HVAC systems need balanced airflow. Closing vents can cause duct leaks and lower efficiency. Myth number 5, ACs cool the air. This is wrong. Your conditioner doesn't cool air. It removes heat and moisture. That's why your home feels more comfortable when it's running. Myth number 6, you only need maintenance when your system breaks. That's a recipe for big repair bills. Regular tune-ups help you avoid breakdowns and keep your system working well. Myth number 7, fans lower the temperature. Fans make you feel cooler by moving air, but they don't lower the temperature. Myth number 8, thermostat location doesn't matter. It does. If it's near a vent or window, it can throw off the reading. This makes your AC work harder than it needs to. Myth number 9, all HVAC companies are the same. They're not. At Golden Rule, we show up on time and treat your home with respect. We make sure the job's done right. That's our standard. So now you know, those AC myths busted. If you need help staying cool this summer, give us a call at Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical. We've got your back. Stay cool, and we'll see you soon.